We are happy now with the conceptual model we created. The first thing we should do is save it. In the top right corner you have a save button, you can click it, and in the left bottom corner you will get a message canvas saved. This means we can now move freely to volt speed. Let's say we go to the dashboard, we do our parameter setup, and we go back to the conceptual modeler. The banking conceptual model will still be there. Now a quick note, saving isn't the same as committing. As you can see, draft is still there, next to the name. This means we saved the conceptual model, we like it, but it's not finished yet. It's finished after you commit it. Now, how do you commit it? You click the commit button in the top right corner and you give the version a number. Now, in my opinion, this is a major version because it's a first release. So we can click on the major button and we can say the initial release. If we now click the commit button, you will see we get a message version committed successfully, and we can see next to the name we have a new version number 1.0.0. Now if we click the versions, you can see the initial release is there.